All right, I can see that I will have to teach you how to be villains.
Hello everyone. Today I'm going to review Ikonic brand entrance knobset, which is currently I would say number one selling entrance knobset in Bunnings range. It's pretty reasonable and affordable. It's about $13 to $15 entrance knobset. Features are adjustable backset 60 to 70 mil and suitable for 34 to 44 mil doors. It's come with a brush nickel or black finish, and the product come with a 3-year warranty. Okay, let's open the lock and review and see what it's really like. Iconic brand lock, and the lock, it's a pretty solid, looks like any other ordinary lock, and adjustable latch, and strike plate with the plastic box, and it's come with the. Okay, let's install the lock now, and you need a 54 mil hole and plus the 25 mil hole for the dead latch. So I'm using a pre-cut door, then I don't have to cut it here. Let's install the latch first. Okay, lock has been installed now, and let's check it. It's lock and unlock, and close the door properly, and let's check the key again. Yeah, it's all good, perfect. Okay, we are now in the pointy end of the our lock review, and let's try to pick this lock and see how quick we can pick it. And I use the tension tool and the one of the picks to pick it. I pick it manually and instant for the pick gun. And okay, let's give a real crack. Yeah, okay, it's checked and it's unlocked, and now I'm using a key to lock it again. Yeah, it's locked. Put in the tension tool and give a little tension to the unlocking side, and yeah, now I'm raking it. Rake, unlock, bang. It's only a couple of seconds, it's done. And let's give another crack and see whether I can pick it again that quick, or what it happened, it's a fluke. Okay, I'm doing it again. It's taking a little bit longer. Yeah, but I still open it. First time it took about 2 seconds, and the second time it took about roughly 4-5 seconds, but still it's fairly quick, and I picked twice. Okay, so I picked this lock twice in no time. What I'm going to do now, give another small test. Ask my 6-year-old son to come and check whether he can rake it and pick this lock. Let's do it. Wyatt?
What?
Wyatt?
What?
You want to try something here, buddy?
Yeah.
Okay. Can you try to pick this lock? I show you what to do. Do you have any lock picking skills?
No.
At least he's honest. Okay. Okay, Wyatt. Let's try to pick this lock. And I'm holding this tension tool. You hold this pick tool. And okay. First, daddy lock it. And I put this little small tool in, and you got the pick, and put the pick in and push in and pull out, push in and pull out, push in, pull out. Well done, good job. You picked it, mate. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Okay, now it's time to find it out real facts. What's behind this Ikonic lock set create multiple shear lines? And I watched another YouTube clip recently, and that YouTuber mentioned that these locks can be rekeyed and to lock with a LW4 keyway, but no, it's not true. And as you can see, it's easily you can insert the Lockwood LW4 key inside, but I show you why you cannot do it. And now I'm removing the cylinder of the actual knob set, and we can find it out what's the reason we cannot rekey these locks to other locks, and plus why it's creating the multiple shear lines. Yeah, now I'm removing the crown at the end of the cylinder, and then the circlip. It's a bit hard me to remove the crown, but the circlip came out fairly easily. And now I'm removing the plug, insert the key, and we use the any other plug to as a follower, but in this instance this cylinder not take the any other plug. That means it's not same diameter as the any other plug in the market. It's a little bit smaller than the other ones. So that's the reason I just pull it out without put the follower through. And now you can see all the pins there, and these pins are little bit smaller and diameter wise, and the reason it's creating multiple shear lines, this little tip on both ends, it's a curved ends, it's not a flat ends. And if you see a proper lab pin locksmiths are commonly used, they are got the flat end on one side, and you can actually stand them. And the same time, if you try to stand these Ikonic knob set pins, you cannot stand them. And this is the reason it's create the multiple shear lines and create the phantom picks. Now I'm trying to insert the lab pin into the these chambers, but it's not take it in. And first one it will go in, but not the other ones. That's another reason we cannot repin Ikonic locks to other lock sets. Okay, this is my final verdict about the Ikonic Entrance knob sets. I wouldn't recommend these knob sets to any external doors to your front door or back door, but still you can use these knob sets to your bedroom door if you want to put a lock on to your bedroom door, especially if you're in the shared accommodation unit. So if you're planning to do your renovation or you move into a new house, planning to change the locks, and this is not the lock you need to install on your front or back door. And best advice to get if you plan to do your renovation, call your local locksmith and get the specialized advice from them. Thank you very much to spend your time to watch my product review, and please make your comments about this product and what you think about it, and please subscribe my channel, and then in future, soon as I upload another video, you get the notification. See you next time. Bye.